Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co chart of the day. Just moving back for a closer look at the S&P 500 and looking at the swings in the first time frame trend, and here we still have an uptrend in place in the second term time frame, with the market previously making a series of higher peaks and higher troughs and no opposite configuration, no lower peaks and lower troughs. If we recall, we were looking at this broadening formation, this inverse triangle type pattern, or also known as a megaphone type pattern. That's where we have the market making higher peaks but lower troughs. So here we've made two higher peaks and one lower trough. The question here is, will the market make another lower trough down below this previous trough? That would entail the market getting down through the Tenkan-sen indicator and getting down towards the Kijun-sen, which will be crucial support for the S&P 500 on the short-term charts. It is around that area of that previous swing low, so very important trading down there if this trend does continue, but certainly no guarantee of that trend continuing with this major loss of commitment by the sellers and strong support coming in at the Tenkan-sen. Now, just looking at the major pitchfork technique here with the S&P, and still hovering around that second upper warning line. Previously we broke out to the upside. It did suggest that we saw the buyers finding some strength, but we wanted some follow through to confirm. We haven't actually seen that. For the previous day's trading, we did see the market just testing lower, and importantly the area around the second upper warning line has held a support for that day and also for the day. The market hasn't been able to maintain the close above that area, so this is suggesting that even though we have seen some candles that aren't showing a lot of strength for the buyers, we are still seeing a little bit of underlying strength remaining there, with the market unable to close below that warning line. So there's an opportunity here for the buyers, if they are strong enough to return back into this market off the back of this loss of commitment by the sellers, and to change the trend back to the upside in the first term time frame. Applying the minor pitchfork technique here, using the first time frame swings, and here we see the market testing down through the median line. It is an important area. The rejection from there has been strong, combined with the support around the Tenkan-sen indicator, and the buyers coming into this market down at these levels suggests there is a very strong opportunity here for a change of trend. Important to watch is the resistance that has formed today around that internal line, that upper internal line. Just watching very carefully for early bullish activity above there. But if we do see a change of trend, very good opportunity here for the market to trade up to that upper pitchfork line, which will be around the 2589 level, and looking for that area to hold as potentially an area of resistance. Also, just examining the relationship of the first time frame downtrend that the market is now in for today, and the situation here within the position within the pitchfork lines. Closing in the upper half of the pitchfork line suggests that that downtrend is not strong. The market did just get slightly down through into that lower half of the pitchfork, but with the rejection from there, it suggests that the buyers have shown a bit of strength today, and we already know that from that candle with the buyers closing with control, and suggests a very good opportunity here for that change of trend as well.